happens when you combine fall-off-the-bone pork ribs with a tangy, sweet, and cheesy sauce. You get Sinan Tomas, a special Quezon Province pork dish braised in pineapple juice and ketchup. In a wide pan, brown the potatoes in hot oil to keep them from falling apart when simmered in the stew later. Remove from the pan and keep warm. Add the pork ribs and cook until lightly browned. Sauté the onions, then the garlic until translucent and fragrant. Add soy sauce and ketchup. Pour in the water and pineapple juice for a touch of fruity sweetness. Season with pepper to taste. Bring to a boil, then cover, reduce the heat, and simmer for about 50 to 60 minutes or until the meat is fork tender and the sauce has reduced. Check and stir occasionally to prevent sticking to the pan. Return the browned potatoes and simmer until tender but not falling apart. Add the green peas and simmer until heated through. Adjust the taste with salt and pepper if needed. Add the grated cheese and stir until melted and the sauce thickens. And there you have it, saucy, tender pork ribs that the whole family will be begging for seconds. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and follow Kawaling Pinoy for more delicious recipes. Enjoy!